Are you experiencing that nagging anxiety about an upcoming lease-up? Rock Advisors has been coaching, guiding, and training rental apartment leasing agents for decades.
We teach and practice proven techniques that get leases signed sooner and at higher rental rates. Are you wondering how? Well, with our live online training sessions where we teach your agents how to overcome objections before they even arise. These techniques are then practiced live in breakout sessions from lead to signed lease, and they've cut the time to close that sale in half. So it sounds like an objection, but if you actually dig around a little bit, you would find out it doesn't really matter to me. It actually is a complaint. It's not going to make or break at all whether or not I choose to live in building. Okay, so did you speak with anyone on a phone?
No, I left a message, didn't get a call back, and so tried email and got a response that way.
That's so disappointing because if you email a company and you're doing some research on, let's say you wanted to book a venue for an event, okay, and you call 5 different places, it's really the first couple that get back to you. Those are the ones you're going to go see, and you're probably going to make a decision between them pretty quickly. Like, you're not going to wait 5 days to hear back from someone. Your agents will stay on track by utilizing our 150-page proprietary workbook to ensure that they soak up every drop of value.
Consider that $100 in rent left on the table for one unit in your building equates to $24,000 in lost value at 100 units. That represents $2.4 million in valuation.
The High Performance Leasing Workshop has helped expedite our onboarding process, enabling our leasing agents to quickly excel in booking showings, doing the perfect tours, and securing leases at competitive rental rates.
If you're looking to ensure that your rent roll drives the NOI and building valuation that you deserve, then look no further. If you're a leasing agent and you want to push your yearly income well into 6 figures, sign up now.
Don't leave your rent roll and building valuation to chance. Register now.